Welcome, boys, to the new episode of the Fans Corner. And the Champions League is finally back. The biggest competition of club football. Every club wants to win it, every club wants to be in it as well. And we are all extremely excited. This is the preview of the match day 2. First, we're starting off with Barca versus Napoli. I have with me two Barca fans here, Justin and Akib. Akib, I'll start with you. Busquets for this game. Busquets, Vidal are both suspended, and even Arthur also is. He's been vacation, probably having a holiday in Brazil right now because he's refusing to play for Barca anymore.
Yeah.
Do you have any confidence in the midfield? Against this tough game.
I mean, Busquets will surely be missed, obviously, because he's the main central pivot. Without him, most of the chances are not seen. As in, you've heard some people say, like, if you see Busquets, you see the Barca's game. If you don't see him, there's just no Barca's game.
Yeah.
So, yeah, he'll be missed for sure. But, I mean, we're also at the same time excited about Ricky Puig. For the past few games, he's stepped up a lot, to be honest. As in, he's basically what is keeping our midfield going at the moment. That's what I feel about our club right now. I mean, and Frankie de Jong is back from injury as well. He hasn't played for, I don't know, at least for like some 4 weeks or something. So even he's back. So there is some hope that these two will, do something. And then Rakitic just has to do his thing. That's all. Hopefully.
So you still have some players in reserve, yeah.
Yeah, we
And-
have players. True that.
And Justin, you guys have had a terrible season. I mean, everyone would say that so much off the field drama, managerial changes. You lost out the La Liga title race as well after lockdown. Do you think the players can, focus for this vital game and have a final push for the Champions League as well?
That's you can't say, man. Because it's Barca, you can't really answer the question, dude. It's something you can only hope for and see in the game. I mean, it's something I can't really comment on because every game they come up with a different forms. Like sometimes it clicks, but all the other times it's just really bad to look at. It's one of the worst times to be a Barca fan, man. Like seriously, like watching the games are like really hard now. But then again, you never know, man. I mean, Messi is pretty serious with what he wants from the squad. And obviously, Barca has had the worst season. So if there's any redemption, it has to be the UCL. So I guess they would give everything they can. I mean, this game we had Vidal and Busquets and everyone suspended, but I think it's a good opportunity for Ricky and everyone to play. And De Jong is also back. And I don't know about Dembele. So we have options, but like we'll see. I don't know, man. We can only probably going into the game is something we can find out.
And you mentioned Messi as well. This season he's had 20 goals and 20 assists. I mean, that's an extraordinary stat. He's the first player to do it since Thierry Henry in 2003 as well. Do you think he can single-handedly win the Champions League for you guys? Other players aren't contributing as much.
No, I don't think so, man. I honestly don't think. No. If it was a young Messi, maybe not this one.
So Justin doesn't have enough faith in Messi.
I mean, he is a game changer. But the thing is, he needs people to finish the chances he creates.
Yeah.
Suarez is damn rusty this season, and he's finished. To be honest, he can't perform at a top level anymore. So and then
exactly, Akib, I was going to ask you as well. They spend so much money, more than 300 million on so many forwards, Coutinho, Griezmann. Yet they still rely on Suarez game after game after game. So what do you think has to change? Even Griezmann doesn't play as much.
The thing is, we need a striker, honestly. That I just have been telling whoever I know for at least 3 years now. I mean, Suarez he's done, dude. He can't dribble, number one. And then since he had the knee injury after the Supercopa in January, he's been damn rusty. He had like these 1 or 2 moments of brilliance, okay? Apart from that, there's
back heel goal.
Yeah, that back heel goal, and then he had that header which Messi thought was going to put a free kick. He put it on his head. He scored that.
Yeah.
He has that moments of brilliance, but then he just, I don't know, throughout 90 minutes you just can't rely on him. That's the thing. Before and all, he used to be really fast. He used to just run at people and somehow score. But now he just can't do that anymore. And the issue with Griezmann is, I mean, he can play the striker, but I don't know. I feel he still is better as a left winger because he had that amazing work rate which he had under Simeone. So he comes back in defense as well. That he can't do as a striker. So that's what I feel about him. We need to sign a striker, 100% sure. This he
And
can't perform at
boys, I'll ask both of you. Just give me a yes or no question. All right. Can Barca win the Champions League? Justin, I'll start with you.
No.
And Akib, what about you?
Yes, they can. Only because it's one-legged matches. That's the only thing.
Yeah, okay. It's one-legged matches. Also, if there's anything, honestly, if there is like if the team performs, then maybe. Like it's not basically just what Messi can do. If the team clicks, then maybe.
Yeah,
Maybe.
true.
Yeah.
The
So
midfield link-up
Yeah.
should be really good.
All right. Now, coming back to this game, Akib, what would your lineups be? It's a home game, so you guys should be pretty confident, even though Napoli have an away game. But let's. What do you think the lineup will be?
I hope he plays 4-3-3 because he's been trying the 3-5-2 for the past 2-3 games.
Yeah.
So it's a 4-3-3. Ter Stegen in goal, Semedo's right back, PK, Longley, and Jordi Alba. Rakitic is going to play the pivot role along with Ricky Puig and Frenkie De Jong. Messi right wing, Suarez striker, left wing Griezmann will start if he is fit enough. If not, it'll be Ansu Fati.
And what would your prediction for the game be?
I think it will be 2-1. I mean, they'll score. I think they'll score. It will be 2-1. I feel it's 2-1.
And Justin, do you have any changes for the lineup which Akib mentioned?
yeah, for the lineups, I think Sergio Roberto might start instead of De Jong. Might, I'm not
yes,
sure.
it's true.
Roberto's there, so I think it could be him. But I think Messi is gonna score. I feel like Messi's gonna be a decider in the game. So 2-1. And I think for some reason I think it's gonna be a big score, like maybe 3-0. Barca's gonna win 3-0.
3-0, all right. Oh,
3-0,
all right.
yeah.
Both Barca fans predicting Barca to go through, but neither of them seem confident of them winning the Champions League. All right, boys. Let's see what happens after the game. I'll see you for the review. See you guys.
Cool. Bye.
Cool.
Bye.
Bye, man.